Imagine building a web app just by typing a sentence. Meet Opal, Google's new vibe coding playground that turns your text into mini apps. No coding required. Opal is Google Labs' experimental tool that lets anyone spin up AI-powered web apps using plain English prompts. It's like ChatGPT meets Figma. You describe what you want, and Opal chains together AI models to build your app's workflow. Step 1. Type a prompt. Create a workout planner that recommends daily exercises based on your mood. Step 2. Opal auto-generates a visual workflow canvas. Input nodes, generation nodes, output nodes. Step 3. Click any node to inspect or tweak the underlying prompt. Step 4. Add extra steps. Say integrate a timer or social share, and hit publish. Your mini app lives on its own URL, ready to share. New to Opal? Browse its gallery of pre-built templates. AI thumbnail generator, blog post writer, trend spotter. Fork any template, remix prompts, swap models, just like remixing a TikTok sound, then save your version. Who's Opal for? Marketers. Automate personalized ad copy and videos. Educators. Build quizzes and micro-learning tools. Creators. Whip up custom content generation apps for social media. Entrepreneurs. Prototype MVPs in minutes. No dev team needed. Opal isn't alone. Canva, Figma, Replit, and even AWS's Kiro are in the no-code AI race. But Opal's secret sauce is its text-first, visual-second approach. You retain full transparency over each step, so it's never a black box. Opal is still in US public beta. It handles lightweight, self-contained apps, but heavy data processing or enterprise integrations aren't there yet. As Google refines models and adds API hooks, expect Opal to grow from prototyping toy to serious studio. So, can you really build an app by typing play? With Opal, yes, and it's only the beginning of vibe coding's revolution. Ready to vibe your ideas into reality? Subscribe for more high-impact tech breakdowns and drop a comment on what you'd build with Opal.